and go live, baby. All right, let's see if we're gonna settle down here. Oh, I forgot to copy paste that to the lounge room as well. There you have it. Those of you on YouTube. All right, good job. What do we have now? 19s. Still trying to settle here. Break above it. So this is a poor high. Those of you who were asking me that before, I think Emmanuel, he's not even here today. Is Emmanuel here? No, he's not. One of the things that I always tell members, and I don't want to sound bossy about it, but you want to learn, you have to be looking at the markets. It's pretty straightforward to catch these moves. We have this nice poor high right now happening out of the ES. We saw the big jump from that 13. Once they broke that 13, previous day settle, took us all the way to the 21s. And just like that, gave us the move back to the 19s and 18s. Some of you guys are already short. That 21, I would tell you, be careful on the short side. You don't want to see this poor high to be broke and go all the way to those 26, 28s. Remember, we still have that point of control right around 25 from yesterday. But if you were short that 18s, that 21s, the target that I gave you, that was about 3 points. Shorting, come back into the 17 level. They are printing right now 1875. And let's see if they're going to pull back. Just a tiny bit, right? It is 10:45 a.m. in the morning. We have had so much fun this morning so far. Let's see, are we gonna give me anything else? Coming back. Let me get this gone like this. And we have singles all the way at 42.30, between 30 and 32. So also note that we can go all the way there once we break this poor high. Nice ABC so far, guys. Very, very nice. Slow tempo, right? Pay attention to the tempo now. Very slow. All right, these guys keeps pulling. I want to see if we're gonna get those 17s again to join him to go back to. Look at the 25s. All right, look at the 25s on board. And let me see if I can join this guy here on these bits if they are gonna hold these 19s. Don't want to get trapped here at the top like these guys did it before. They were trapping a lot of people on these 24s. I mean 21, excuse me. What is my deltas looking like today? Pretty good. Nice, my friend. Kaching. Nasdaq not stopping, guys. NQ not stopping. They want to go get that. Struggling here, guys. Struggling, but Delta's looking good. We need to break this poor high. I want them to break this poor high and go to that 24, 25 level. Let's go back to the ladder and take a look if these 17s are going to be taken out. Come to Papa. Come on. You can do it. Come on, pull them up. They're pulling them, selling them, selling them. There you go. Come on, give me those 17s. And start looking at the other side of the market now. They trap all those 21s. Man, poor guys. There you go. There goes the flush. Boom. Boom. Look at that flush. Poor guys. Man, they just got killed. So I shorted that 12. You guys recall that 12? Those of you on the stocks, I still short my 500 shares on TQQs. I'm waiting for 111, maybe 111.50. Some selling is stepping in here at 111.88. Let's see if 111.7 is going to hold. And I'll take my trade and, add some more to it. Then reverse, go long, take it back up. Go all the way to 112.50 again. All right. That's how I trade. Only reading the tape, by the way. Just reading the tape for how I trade with my TQQs. FNGU, I do the same thing. Right. In FNGU, the same thing. SOTM. Nice. SOTM again. Man, they got those guys good. They got them so good of trapping these guys. Guys, I'm going to exit on my 11, on my 15s here. On that short of 20, and I did a couple of reloads on 20 and 18 that you saw me going live short. So I'm going to exit and take those 4 points now in case we reverse traction back up. All right. Nasdaq struggling here at the 115s. Yeah, there is the door, and that's what I was looking at. That's why I took my trade off the table, right? Because I'm still waiting, and I told you guys, this is what they are going to do, right? Let me put back my profile. What they will do is break. We need to break this. We need to break this poor high and go to 26. In order to do that, they trap everyone going long those 21s. Poor guys. Anyone going long here, they just got trapped. Booyah. Right? You and I, we've been waiting. 17. I told you like 6 times already. Wait for 17s to exit. I will take my trade out right here on the 15s. If they drop this, even better. Right? If we drop this 13, game over. Right? We can see against these 10s. 10 points. Back up, 10 points on the way down with you guys. Pretty good trading day so far. Can't complain about it. Give me 13. So if I can get that 13, I'll exit my other trade, man. If I can just get those 13s back online. Oil is still at 71.89. I cannot believe this oil. Oh, man. That was a quick $400 on that oil drop, but now it's just going nowhere. Nowhere to go. Danny, anybody here in the room? Anybody has questions on YouTube or so those of you guys here on YouTube, good morning. I completely forgot that we were live. We've been trading so much here in the room, so sorry. We haven't been even able to post them into the chat. How many points you got so far, Danny? I mean, Danny, you've been, I can count them here. So far in the room, I see 4. I see you got 5 here. I see Bubble got like 10 already, just on a single trade out. Pretty good. You got 7 on this one. Oh, nice. You got 2 on the over here. Pretty good day for you, Danny. All right, 112 again on the TQQs. Oops, I have a couple of orders here sitting down. Come on, ES. I need some flush of inventory, please, so we can have fun. What do you mean opening order? Oh, man. I opened an order by mistake. I just closed an order. I opened it by mistake. Sorry, guys. I was like, what the hell did I open? What did I do? Oh, I opened 16 short. What the heck? Instead of going long. That's you have to be careful when you're trading with the DOM. I can easily click on these things, and I just did that 16 short. It would work pretty good, but I didn't want to take the risk on that thing. Back at 15 again. All right, 1193. I'm waiting for 1160 on my TQQs. 15s. They want to buy those 15s. Right? Right at the top of B period. Previous day settle. Important. Point of control from overnight. The whole session point of control is right here, right on the 15s. There goes 14s. Oh, somebody waiting at 10. Okay, good for me. Somebody's waiting right at the overnight high. Go figure. All right, anyone is still short on that 21 short? Fantabulous for you guys. That was an 8 points freebie. Free money. All you got to do is click the mouse, and it was a free money. That's why I told you they were trapping these people. Poor guys. They were really trapping them here. Man, I was about to go long on those 20s and reverse my trade. Thank God I did not reverse the trade. I saw a brand new, right, lower high. I say, keep going. You just keep going. Come to Papa, right? Just come to Papa. We are waiting here on the 10s again for you. Collect 10 points back to 20. Come on, sweetie. All right, here we go. So let me load it up. I want to go one tick above that 10 long. Right, let me go back to my other account and start trading on my other account as well. Remember, 4,200. It is the magnet on the spot gamma for tomorrow. So that's the game, right? Bubble have said it multiple times. I have said it multiple times today. They might play this game for today and tomorrow. Quad witching tomorrow. So guess what's going to happen? A lot of volume today, maybe a lot of volume tomorrow. And you're going to see these levels playing back and forth, back and forth. You need to be ready for them. You need to be absolutely ready for them. Let me move my child back up to the 18s. I want to grab 10 points out of it. Come to 10s. Come to Papa. Let me go here and place one more order. Let's see if I can get those 10s. Pull them. Come on. They're going to sell it to him. Oop, they got him back up. Come on, sell it to him. You can do it. 42 13s. There you go. Sell it. Sell it to him. Look at the pulling on the bids. Stocking a bit here. They sold them, all of them. They got about 100 there. 60 now hit the mark. 40 more hit the mark at 1250. 1175 for my TQQ. I am about to exit that trade for about 40 cents on 500 shares. Short those 12 10s. Nasdaq trying to reverse the 14,100. $12.50. They're coming to 10s. Come to the open. What is the open? Open is 09. Let's see if they're going to give me 09 instead. They are coming to it. Come to Papa. 111.60. I am out of my TQQ. 111.60. I am out of TQQ. 11.50s here on the ES. Pull the orders. Come on. Pull the orders. Order flow looking good here, guys, all the way to 09. Let's see if they're going to flush us to the open. Very nice trade. Off that 21, about 11 points live, guys. Pretty nice trade. I'm going to jump in here and pull the trigger. These guys are holding the bid here. I just got long. 10.75. And I have one more order to go long at the 06. Targets on the 20, looking for 10 points on the way up. And come to Papa. Right? Very nice. Man, poor retailers buying here. You and I shorting right here. Boom. So, order flow. Pure, simple. All right, let me go back to my, let me join here. Long again. There, 500 shares long. Okay. On 1160, looking at the order flow on my TQQ. 500 shares long now. I just exited my shorts from 12 to 1160. Now I'm going on the way back up. 1160, back to the 1220 for another maybe $200-300. 1160 long 1075 ES, trying to take it back to 20s. Nasdaq holding, YM weak from the open. The Dow Jones not collaborating today. 1075, I'm waiting for 09 here at the open. Are they going to give me the open or not? It looks like they will give me the open. VWAP is right at 106. 206. And the value area low, I think, is 206. Do we have 206 on the value area low? I believe so. Let's see. What is my value area low here? 206 and a quarter. 110. I'm going to put one more lot, maybe two more lots here to go back to 20. Man, I should have added 1,000 instead of 500 on that TQQ because I can get a pretty good, decent move out of TQQ back to 112, excuse me. All right. Take me to 20. Take me to the promised land. TQQ. Let me go back to my other account really quick here on TQQ. Buy a couple of thousand shares. There you go, baby. Look at TQQ. What a lovely trade. Both ways. Make the money on the way down. Make the money on the way up. Those of you trading with me stocks, that's how I do it. Right? 1160, 500 shares long, 40 cents, 50 cents. Come back to it. Do this all day, all night. There you go. Gonna hit the flat end right here at 112. I want to see them come back to 112.13. Live. There it goes. Come at it. Probably gonna get 300 out. I'm gonna get 300 out. Come on, baby. Hit me. Hit me. Give me the 112. Hit me the 112. Hit me on 112. Get me out. I'm going to scale out. There you go. 300 out at 196, 1196. I'm out of the trade. I'm going to get the next 200 at 112.30. Reverse the trade back onto 12, maybe 1260 if we can get it back at 1260. So Danny, you were asking me how I trade stocks. Same thing I trade. The same way I trade the EMini. Order flow. Nothing more. Looking good. Looking good so far. Right, I'm going to get rid of them at 110. Let's see if I can get 1210 on it. Come on, sweetie. Bring me 12 1202s. Don't come back to that 12s. Oops, somebody showed up at 12s. All right, somebody's showing up at 12s. There he goes, 1207. Boom, go get them, baby. Go to 1210. Give me 1220. About $200, $300 on the trade. Pure order flow, pure reading the tape, nothing more. Okay, exiting here at 1201. There you go. I'm out. 1202. They fill my order at 1202. All right, 1202 gone. All right, so there you have it. Easy trade, about 1,200 shares already for the day. Let's see if I can recapture 1230s to the short side, come back to 1150, get about $1, about $1,000. I'm gonna put 1,000 shares on this baby. If they're coming back to me, let's see. I'm gonna reload right at 1150, 55, and I'm gonna start reloading here at the top on the 1240s, 1260s to the downside. All right. Simple Donnie, pure order flow, nothing more, hitting the room. 11, still long, 1075s. Here it goes. I'm still long, 1275s, 1075s, excuse me, on the ES, waiting for 20, looking for a 4 to refill and reload. Those of you coming to our YouTube, this is not paper money, right? I do trade multiple accounts. I have about 6 accounts for my clients that I handle online. So this is real money. It's not your paper trading guru. So those of you new here on our YouTube channel, you'll see me trading live with my guys day in, day out, capturing 10 points average per day, I would think. Not a single day negative for the month of June, and we are already past the 15th. So having such a good day on that. Right. Right, let's see. What do we have here on my downloads? I'm going to wait for a couple of things. There it goes, 1190. Let's see if they're going to get me 1196. I mean, 1160 on that baby TQQs again. 110s are coming online. I have an order to go long 107s. Don't forget, those of you here on YouTube, right? We have our special going on for about 99 bucks a month. You can come and trade with us. Plain and simple, following just pure order flow, capturing about 10 to 20 ticks, points, average per day. Doesn't matter if you trade micros or if you trade the regular ES like the way I do. That's how we get it done here in the room. We trade using only market orders, market profile, and only using order flow to read the tape. All right, so that's a pretty good announcement here quickly for you guys. You guys see me trading live. You guys get a narrative. You guys get a plan when you come to the room every single day. My guys in the room, if you look at our Discord channel, what they have is early on, we have a plan of action and we trade accordingly to that plan of action. This morning, up to 41.06, and then we're going to hit the 42.22. That was one of the plans. Next plan was any failure below the 95s. We're coming to those singles at 78 potential. This scenario hasn't played out yet. All right, this didn't play it out yet. This one did pretty good. We did have the 42.06 and failure, but they only gave us about 4,200 early on. So this is what you get every day, early in the morning, pre-market. We do meet up at 9 a.m. Pre-market, we come and trade live, and we execute based on our plan of action. Guys, see me trading in and out. My guys making a killing today. Man, I was out 4 points. Some people got 10 points on it. See a lot of it. Some of my guys here trading live with me in the room. What else do we have? He has 7 points here. Wow, this was a good move by Danny. About 7 points on it. 13 shorts. We were short the 13s early on. A couple of guys went long on that '07. I believe somebody went short 13s as well. Short 21. That's the last trade that we just did on the ES. So not a bad day for some of the guys here in the room. We're still going, and the day is very young. What do we have now on the markets? It is only 11:10, and the market just giving you entries and exits for you to take. All right. Let's go back to my 12:20 now on TQQ. Here is where I play my reversals at the top of the day, top of the market, right, on the TQQ. So what do we have on TQQ? Those of you who are trading it, look at the 1270s. So that's what I want to grab. I want to get 1,000 shares here at 12. Let's see how the 12s are stacking now. Get 1,000 shares to take me to those 80s and collect $800 on this move. Let's see if that's going to happen on the TQQ. I have it on my other monitors. So, man, I left some money on the table on this. I don't think they're going to come back, so I'm going to move my order back to 80. Let's see if they're going to come to this 80 area. Same thing they did. They just did it, right? They just came to that 30. That was my first trade. Having a struggle here. The first one I did, 109 to 110, 107.20, 107.50 to 110. And I did a couple of them now from 112 to 111.60 and 111.60 to 112, which you just saw it live on the markets. Anyone interested on joining our room? You guys are more than welcome to come and check it out. Spot Gamma for today. Those of you here in YouTube, I did display this for my guys early on. I'll display for you guys as well. What to expect coming from tomorrow live. This is live as it is happening. We have a nice 42.25, right? A nice combo. The largest gamma for tomorrow. Wow. The largest gamma at 42.25 coming in tomorrow, right? Let's see what the levels are looking so far. Very good, 42 and a 42.25. We talk about it in the room. 4,200, not bad at all. I mean, we might have some nice move there tomorrow. So pay attention to that coming up tomorrow morning. Okay. 109s is still sitting on the 110s here, trying to hold bids, right? They are holding the bids right here on the 110s. They're coming right at the open. My order's sitting at 07s. Let's see if I can get those 06. 06, I'm going to add one more, guys. Let me go back to my other account. It's too early to add. My adding is all the way out of 06 in case they give it to me. Right. Oil, what is my oil doing? All right. Okay, tempo's slowing down here a bit. Come VWAP, and we'll see how we will respond to VWAP, okay? My order is right one tick above VWAP. I'm probably going to move it right to 107, see if VWAP's going to come into place. I'm still long on my other account. Let's see what this is doing. All right, 108, hitting some bids, 225, hitting the bids. This guy pulling orders. And they are giving it to him. Offers just hitting him at 108. What is my Pepsi doing? I have one core position on Pepsi, on Bava. Bava doing good and Baidu doing good today. Let me see what my Pepsi is doing. Great. Up 63 cents. Right, they opened my order on 107s, and they opened another order. Yes, 107 open order right now. Let's see if they're gonna stop me out. I have a quick stop out here at 105, and I'm planning to add on the 102s. Dropping here now, flushing below VWAP. Okay, those short with me .21, man, you guys are not out. That will be a good time to start taking some profits off the table, right? Take some profits. Off the table, guys. Start looking for, oops, I have a phone call. Give me 1 second. Oh, I can call him back later. All right, adding out of 5 on my orders. Oh, 570, or 550 actually. They just got me out of 550. All the way to 20. We are taking this all the way to 20. First stop is going to be 42.13, 42.11. Those of you that are here on YouTube. That trade that we just took long of 550s, of 575s, target all the way to 13s and 11. $11.95. Very good, very good. And Nasdaq dropping a bit here. Long of 550s, Danny. Good job. Good job, Danny, on that move. I'm long myself on that. I'm waiting for my order to get filled on my TQQs again on that 1160s. Let's see if they're going to come to it. Back to 06. Back below VWAP, just a tiny bit below VWAP. That's the response we want to see here, some initiative. Deltas, not going anywhere. We have seen the move on deltas before. Nasdaq holding, NQ still holding. Guys, oil just dropped about $1 from 72 to 71. Maybe this has something to do with the SPX following along, but now oil is coming to my entry at $71. Oil is coming to that 71 entry, and I'll see if I'm gonna get filled that. And then my next one is a 7055. Oil 7055. Danny, good. You're long of 550. That's good. Good. Let's see if we're gonna get 11, brother. 11 and 13. That's what I'm looking for. 11 and 13, guys. That's what I'm looking for. All right, 11 and 13 on that move, Danny. Let's see if we're going to get it. Nice move, right on the VWAP. Coming up. 107 and a quarter, 108. There goes 108. Come on, give it a little tick here back up to the 109. And let's see if they're going to come and hit that 109 again. All right. 111. Take some money off the table. 109s. If you guys can take some money off the table, you guys are more than welcome to do that. 109s again. 109.50. Nice. What a beautiful move. Give me 110s. There goes 110. 42.10 coming online. Did I fill my? No, they didn't fill my order, guys. Look at the TQQ. Man, I missed that. I was babysitting that trade on EMini, and I missed this big move. Huge move, by the way. Right? So, Danny, look at the move that we just had. Right? to the 13s, and I told you we're going to 13. That's why I want to load 1,000 shares on it. And man, they left me hanging on these 11. My bad. That was my mistake. I didn't quite reacted quickly on that 111. Man, that was a good move. Woo! That was a freaking good move. My friend just texted me. He's like, dude, did you grab that? I'm like, hell no, dude. I'm doing 4 or 5 things and I need to be consistent with my trading. $111 on that, guys. 111. We tagged the 111 and man, they just, I mean, wow. Man, I have no idea, but these guys were really on fire waiting for that VWAP. And man, you just saw it live how we came down to that 106. We reloaded at 0550 and straight up about 5-6 points all the way up to 11. So kudos to those of you who took it live. That was a pretty good. Looking just at the order flow, nothing more. There goes 11. Danny or whoever it was along with me. Anybody else along? I don't even know where my chart is. Oh, there goes Danny. What are you saying, brother? Our second 16 got 16 points. Oh, what the hell was that? Oh, long of 5, excuse me. Long of 5 out 1050. There, 5 points. They listen to you. Well, they don't listen to me. I listen to them. Let's put it that way. They don't listen to me. I listen to the market. All right? I am always constantly listening to the market. The market doesn't listen to me. The market doesn't fucking care what I think. They don't give a damn about what you think. Get that straight up, my friend. The market doesn't freaking care about your opinions. They don't give a damn. If you're not ready to listen to the order flow, you're not ready to listen to the order flow. I'm just listening to them. I mean, I waited freaking what? 20 minutes? 15 minutes? Right? I took a couple of 18 out of 13. I went long 05 back to, 05 and 1075 back to 11. It's plain and simple. I'm babysitting my other stocks here. PSX down $2. What's going on? 3%? Oh, because of oil. So you guys saw me going long oil 71 even. Now it's a 71.16, making about 16 ticks on this baby. My next order, long oil 7055. 7055 long oil. That's my next order sitting on the desk. All right. What a beautiful day. Fantastic. Fantastic day. What a fantastic day. I love days like today. I can be doing this all day, all night, collecting $600 at a time. By the way, this is how you guys make $2,000, $3,000 a day, right? That's simple. It's not that hard, is it? Was it that hard to grab that? Long from 06, boom, right? So here's my guys, right? Going long 05, going long 06, right? These guys, I mean, he was actually looking for that 13 to open the door. I'm pretty sure. Bubble, did you exit that short? Because Bubble was short maybe from those 21s that we were short before. And just like that, we got those points back in our pockets. Kudos, Caesar. Man, you've been quiet today, brother. Kudos to you, brother. Man, I just freaking, it's bugging me that I missed that $1,000 on TQQ, man. It's just freaking bugging me. It's bugging me. It is what it is, brother. Don't let ever your emotions come to the training area. I just like to have fun with my guys. Oh, man, you missed that 21. That was a beautiful, that 21 was key, man. I was about to get trapped myself. That's why I was shorting that 18 shorting the 18s, shorting those 18s. And I still won these 10 points, guys. By the way, I am not done. I'm still won those 10 points back to 20. Either way, I'm going to take at least 40 or 50 points today, at least, till 4 p.m. That is probably the bare minimum that I will do today. Just before 11:30 right now, some of you guys already have 20 points on your pockets. You guys should have at least 20 points in your pockets. So it's been good. Let me go back to, I want to short this, but I don't know. You know what? Screw it. I want to short. They are selling this a bit. Nasdaq at 136, 140. Can I get it back to 12? And why not? Let me go back to my orders here. Give me 1 second. Man, if this thing goes to 13, I'm going to get screwed up. My friend just told me, hold on, give me 1 second on Telegram. Well, I'll look it up in a bit. It's too early in the day, but I'll be playing the game, baby. Let me look at the order flow. Yes, 113. So we have a good chance of hitting that 1350. I'm going to wait up a bit. But this was such a gorgeous, gorgeous move of consolidation, breaking the baby. Boom. And there you go. Look at that. 13. Order flow. Look at the tape reading. Tape reading. Tape reading. 13s. Now they're going to squeeze everybody to 14s, these guys. All right, let me go back to my ES now. Come back at it. Woo! Beautiful. 13. Yes, give me a little bit more. Just more juice. I just want some. Let me cancel this order. I don't need that anymore. Cancel all the orders. I have one at 1160 again, and there's no way I'm going to get 1160 now. So, Danny, man, that's how I do it, man, on a stocks. That's how I trade my stocks. What you see on the screen, just plain, pure, simple order flow. Same thing you see me trading with my guys in the room. Same thing I trade here with them. Okay. Struggling, man. Amazing. It's not that it's amazing, man. It's just so many years doing this stuff. Experience, the screen time. What can I tell you? Bunch of things. Bunch of things. All right, let me go to YouTube, see if there is any questions. No questions from YouTube members. Pretty good. All right. So those of you who saw that live from 05 to 11s, we stopped at 11. You got yourself 6 points. That pays for 3 months of your membership premium services, right? Just in here, 6 points, $600 on 2 lots. That pays actually 6 months. If you traded 1 lot, even if you traded 1 lot EMini, that was $300, and that paid for your room for the next 3 months. And then you come to the room and you start learning stuff that you never seen before, right? You see us trading live here in the room. Come to Papa again, 205, and I'll grab you on 05 and 03s. All right? Let me place my order right here, baby. Let's see if they're going to get me 03s and put my child back up at 12. Flush it. Are they trapping people again? And not really. Let me go move this back to 16s. Yes, move it to 16s. All right. D period. So what do we have for those of you? I'm about to close the room, by the way. It is 11:30, guys. I'm about to close the room. Here is the narrative for the end of the day. We have a poor high around 21. We need to break out of the balance, initial balance, the first hour of trading. We still have the initial balance at 42.03. That is A and B period. A and B period. Then C period gave us this poor high at the 21 where you just saw us go short. Okay. And I'm looking to collect 10 points on the way up. go long on the O3s and make 20 points on the way up. So those of you who are still long, look, they are giving you a good trade here to exit at 12, right? Anybody exiting at 12, any runner on 12, you guys can now pull this runner, let it go to 13, and let it fly, right? Let this thing fly above 13, and we're going to get our 10 points all the way up to 20. Simple. Even the 18, if you get that 18, that would be a nice move. Runner on reloaded at 08. Man, you guys are pretty cool today, man. All right, I'm going to follow you along. And, okay. All right, executed my order. Modify. My friend is modifying an order. What the hell is he doing? What are you doing, brother? What is he modifying? Hold on. 13s. Oh, he's modifying some orders. Wow. I have something, hold on AMC. What is AMC doing today? My friend just told me, hey, check AMC. Oh man, AMC is $63. We were just talking pre-market this morning. I chicken out. I didn't want to go long 52, and look at the freaking thing now. It's a $62. This was my mistake. We were just talking with my friends pre-market around 5 o'clock in the morning, and we saw AMC at 52, and we were developing a plan of action for it. And wow, they just sent me a nice picture here. You're never gonna trade all of the setups, guys. Let's get that straight in your mind, right? It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. All right, 113.65, 113.65. Nice move out of Unity Softwares. Those of you who follow my trade on Unity Software, nice move today, up about $6. Maybe news related, I don't know. Tesla up $10. Those are my core positions, by the way. Tesla is up $10. Unity Software, the letter U, that's a ticker symbol. I am long all the way from the 90s. Now it's at 103. Baidu, I'm long to 10s, is 185, losing a little bit there. CRSR, up about $1. Oh, up about 55 cents, excuse me. Twitter, I am long 60s. And my TQQs, well, you just saw it trading live with me. TQQ live, right? I got 30 ticks on my oil, $600, and it's coming back to Papa at 71, and I have 70, 80 now. There goes 13 and a quarter, 13 and a quarter. There goes 13 and a quarter on that ES. I told you, look up for that 13 and a quarter. Cesar, did you get out of the trade yet? Danny, are you out on that? Danny goes like, nope. Danny, you're so straightforward, brother. Don't get greedy, guys, okay? I don't want you to... you're still holding Caesar, so Caesar is still holding as well. All right. I'm still holding. I mean, I won my 10 points, man. I mean, that's only going to make 40, by the way, for the day for me, about 40 points. So I'm still holding this sucker. Let me go put one on. Well, the O3 is not going to get in this market. Let's put one more on. NQ's running, man. Yeah, the NQ is not going to stop. That's why I was going long that TQQ. The NQ is not going to stop. A friend of mine just shorted TQQ on 13s, and I just replied to him, brother, good luck, because NQ was from the get-go, right at the open, right, did not corrected any inventory. That's how strong the NQ was from the get-go at the open, right? It was really strong. So you need, the market is telling you what to do. If you don't listen to the market will take your money. The market doesn't care about what you think. If you keep thinking what the market is going to do, a couple of my guys early on, they said, man, I'm going to short 12. Okay, great. I shorted 12 with him, couple of shorts here, right? And I exited at 1160, reloaded 1160, exit at 12. Yes. Now I'm going to short 12. He just got screwed up because he's thinking. He's not following what the market is giving you. I mean, guys, everything is in front of you when trading stocks. Everything is here. You read the tape, you will never. I mean, you will fail sometimes. Maybe you're going to get run over a couple of things if you start reading the tape. But it was pretty straightforward. And right now, he just sent me that tweet about AMC. That one I missed it because we did talk about it pre-market. I am usually pre-market talking to these guys. There is 15, baby. Boom. Boom, guys. 15 on that ES. 10 points off that 0550. Anyone else long is about to ring the register. Right? About to ring the register. Guys, do not get greedy on these type of trades. Let the market give you the trade and then just follow through. I'm moving my stop to 15 right now. Okay, let me actually correct this and get rid of this right now because I don't need that here sitting on the books so that it doesn't confuse you. Danny, what did you post? Something pop up here. I'm sorry, I'm not paying attention to the chat. What is my chat? I don't even know where the hell my chat is, man, right now. Out. Boom. Right, guys, those of you on YouTube, I mean, that's why I didn't want to close this room. Look at these guys. How many points did you get? Like 7 points. Runners from 08 long, from 06 long, from 05 long. These are live trades that we take here in the room, right? Live trade, guys, in the room. You just pay for the whole freaking year. Doesn't matter if you trade micros or regular ES. It does not matter. Gorgeous trade, guys. Kudos to you guys. I'm still waiting for 18. I moved my stop to 15. And I'm going to move it again to 16 now. My stop at 16. I'm going to get those 10 points on my pocket. Well, I have no clue. Caesar, is he going to break the poor high? Or are we going to trap these guys again? Yeah. Remember, it's all about the spot gamma for tomorrow. So these guys have been playing this game. Go over here. Come back here. Guess what these people are doing? Every time you see them come to 05, they are buying calls, man. These guys are buying that 42.25. Right? These guys are buying calls or selling puts underneath. The guys are selling those puts, those 200, right? They are selling those 4,200 puts, right? So if they are selling those puts, I'm pretty sure you're going to see them on my book map. Let's see how many puts they sold when we were here. How many puts did they sell? 4,000. I want to see the 4205. Let's see. Come on. They sold about 4,000 puts. Yes. Some 5,000 calls were bought out. Here, they sold puts about 12,000. They sold about 7,000 puts. So what is the market dealer needs to do? He needs to buy the futures. They keep selling puts, selling calls, selling puts. Man, it's right there in front of you guys, the setups, everything. So let me see if I'm going to get stopped out on this order at 16 and collect my 10 points off the lows of that 05. Guys, I have to go 11:30. Thank you. Why? So let me give you guys a heads up quickly. I have to go. I really have to go. If we break for the poor high, if we were to break this poor high, look at the order flow at all times. Start looking for this. You don't want to see the same thing that we saw early. You see these guys pulling the bids right here and pulling, and the offers started just dumping on top of them supply. So that supply gave us that move to the 05. You don't want to see these guys again on the 42.21s. Let's see if these guys are really going to start buying. Really, some paper coming online here on these 18s to push above the 21. If we go above the 21, the target is the previous point of control, which is 26. Let me mark it for you. Right, here is the target. First target, it will be that 42.25. That's about 4 points. And then eventually the singles, we have this gorgeous set of singles all the way to 42.33. But the problem with that is that the gamma is sitting right at 28. All right. Gamma is sitting at 28, so you should expect a move back up and then maybe settle down here in the afternoon. All right, these are the expectations so far from what I have seen using order flow. I have seen a lot of paper in here, right at the 10s, and you can see it in the volume. You don't see paper here yet. You do not see it. So that's my only concern on your question, Cesar. So I hope that answers your questions. I'd rather be playing this same range, 10 points up, right? 10 points down. Do that a couple of times, and you get yourself a pretty good, decent JOB. All right? All right, guys. Kudos to you guys. Thank you for coming. YouTube was awesome. And everything got